Okay, this is an LG TV with Wi-Fi and screen share, smart view, difficulty. Bolts all on there, all around here. There's a bolt right there, another one right there, and over there it just pops off. And the main thing we're looking at here is this internet Wi-Fi module. As you can see right here, I'm gonna shine some little light. It says right there Wi-Fi. Let me see if I can focus. Wi-Fi bracket. So the thing is that this white wire, which is a power, there's a power button right here on the bottom of the TV. That white wire was connected to this wire right here, which is this wire right here runs into the module, and the wire was all twisted up. It was like, I guess, cutting the connection. So what I did was I pulled those two wires apart, which it was held together by the blue tape right there. It was held together, so I used like a little blade or a knife and cut right through there easily without cutting the wires. Once I did that, I actually unbolted the module. There's a small bolt right there, and you can look in there and see everything. But all you have to do is strained. Just make sure this wire is straight. It's not twisted or anything, so that the signal can go to I believe that's the motherboard right there. That's where it was twisted up, literally right there. That's just a close-up with my Galaxy S20 Plus camera, showing as close as I can to where it was twisted. The right wire right there is the one that was really twisted. And like I said, all you have to do is straighten it up and put tape, black tape or whatever tape, electrical tape, whatever, to keep it straight. That's the bracket once again. You could probably unbolt it just to make sure that the wire connections are good. And I'm glad I didn't have to buy another TV, guys, to be honest. Moment of truth. Yes.